All right, Motosquatch back here. Nicole just dropped us back off at the ashram. We did our photo shoot at the jiu-jitsu tournament at the Del Mar Fairgrounds, and now we're gonna head home. That was a good U-turn. Sunset sky there. Beautiful, yeah. Wow, you can see the island out there. That you, Dan? What up? Sweet bike, bro! That thing's sick! That's awesome, man!
Pull over by Swami's, that bay there for a minute, I'm telling you.
Stop and talk to Dan here on his new Sidecar motorcycle. Pretty sick. That's Dan, by the way, Dan Moriarty.
Good to see you.
What's up?
How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good.
Good, good. That thing has nice sound.
I know, I like it.
Sound coming up from behind me. I know that bike. That thing's got a good pop to it, man.
I like it.
Yeah. The pipes are nice on that thing. I mean, I don't know what they did. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no wonder. Yeah, they're vicious. Not a lot of guts in there, man. Just bam.
Dude, those stock pipes, it was like, it didn't even feel right.
No, it doesn't. It's too much back pressure on the engine.
Yeah.
You know, too much back pressure. That's exactly right. No, those are breathing good. I'm having fun with it. I'm taking it in for the first service next Thursday. And then after that, I can really start pushing it. You know, I've been opening it up pretty good, but really supposed to hold it.
500 miles, what?
It's supposed to be the first 1,000 miles. I'm bringing it in, you know, right around 850, which is when they have like, I guess a couple things I'm waiting for, like the windshield, they don't have it.
That thing's sweet!
Yeah, it's two-wheel drive too, man. It throws power to that sidecar wheel. So if you're like getting off-road, you know, and you really want to, like, you know, if you're getting a sand or mud or, you know, like Baja or something like that. So I don't use it, but you can definitely use it.
That thing is sweet!
It's got a big old trunk in it. Check this out. This tire fits all three sides, all three spots. I've got a big old trunk. I mean, I got all my tools and junk down the bottom of it. Line for just, you know, for just in case.
That's a nice looking ride, man. I thought that was you.
It's pretty retro.
Total retro.
Yeah,
Sunhorse Energy.
You got it.
Fuck yeah!
I don't know, man. I gotta put my logos on that damn thing. I gotta write that shit off, man, somehow.
That's right.
Yep. That was fun. Yeah, so what are you up to?
Just heading back to Escondido. I went to this jiu-jitsu tournament photo shoot at Del Mar Fairgrounds. Big old jiu-jitsu tournament.
Oh, okay, I didn't know they were having that down.
Yeah.
Was that Studio 540 put it on, or who put it on?
I don't know. My friend's daughter was competing, so she asked if I'd go shoot it.
A tournament. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just running back home to Escondido. Got to get back. The dogs are probably been locked up too long, so I got to go let them out.
Yeah, I had ours out already, so I'm just doing a loop through town. I'm gonna go back on Vulcan. But I went and saw the sunset. Pretty beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice. Yeah, I went by been by the coffee shop. I go to that other one down there from time to time too. You know, the other peaks. You know.
Yeah, me too.
So occasionally I do that one over in Swan Beach.
Well, cool, man. Thanks for showing me.
No worries.
I'm gonna run. That thing's sick. Tell Mona I said hi. All right. Stopped and saw Dan's sidecar bike. Thing's super cool. That was Dan Moriarty, Sunhorse Energy. He ordered that sidecar bike from overseas. He was waiting for it for a long time there, and it was basically stuck out on a ship. It was stuck out on one of those ships for like months. Looks like he got it though. That was pretty cool. Oh, Dan Moriarty.